My name's Robert Jones. I'm studying Carpentry Joinery level 1 in Coleg Meirion-Dwyfor. I decided to come to college because when I was in school I was coming here one day a week. The carpentry stood out for me, so I decided to follow my dad and go for carpentry. As part of my course I entered the regional competition and I went to that and I had first place. Now going on to the final competition in South Wales. I really enjoyed the practical work in my course. I like doing hands-on work and I really enjoyed that, and I really enjoyed being in the classroom, and I've really enjoyed the Makita and Festival coming into the course to teach us about the tools we'll be using in the future. Next year I'm going on to second year site carpentry, and then after that I'm hopefully going to third year. And after finishing college I'm hopefully going to start my own business and go self-employed. I advise students to just follow what they want to do. If they want to come to college, just go for it. If you're not too confident, college will give you that confidence to go on in life and do what you want to do. College has changed me and my expectations about myself. They've given me a lot more confidence in myself, so I'm ready to go out when I'm finishing college. So I'm